I'm so happy to share that I will be presenting an in-person training for therapists with Leading Edge Seminars in beautiful Cancun, Mexico in February of 2027. So you got some time. Many therapists are working with clients impacted by narcissistic and antagonistic relational dynamics, and yet most of us receive little to no formal training on how to assess and effectively treat clients navigating and healing from these relationships. In this training, we will explore narcissism and antagonism and how these personalities show up in relationships. We will explore the impact on clients and the unique patterns that keep clients stuck in these cycles. Then we will focus on best practices in working with clients in these situations, regardless of whether clients opt to leave these relationships or not, without pathologizing or oversimplifying. Cultural competency, legal and ethical issues will also be explored, and this is an opportunity to discuss cases and be together in person over several days, which gives us the time and space to really think, ask questions, and integrate this work in a way that carries back into the therapy room. I hope to see you there.